guys, welcome. Now there are four main vitamins for the skin. You have vitamin A, you have vitamin C, you have vitamin E, and you also have vitamin D. All of these vitamins have their own special role to play to have your skin looking younger, fresher, bright, clear, and supple. Now when it comes on to wrinkles on the skin, when it comes on to sagging skin, what happens is that the skin tend to lose its elasticity as we age. Now there's a vitamin to take care of that, and this vitamin is vitamin A. Vitamin A is an antioxidant that will help to reduce wrinkles and fine lines on the skin, boosts the collagen production in the skin, and it will also help the skin to look fresher, supple, and clear. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a facial moisturizer using natural ingredients that are high in vitamin A. This moisturizer will help to reduce the wrinkles and fine lines, boost the collagen production, and have your skin looking younger. Now you can find vitamin A in fruits and vegetables. You can find vitamin A in like carrots and papaya and squash. This is a natural moisturizer, so we're using natural ingredients. So if you're interested in my homemade facial moisturizer that is rich in vitamin A, continue watching. To make our moisturizer, I am going to be using some fresh carrot. So here I have two medium carrot which is already washed and peeled. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to extract the carrot juice. To extract the carrot juice, you can choose to either grate the carrot or you can choose to blend. I am going to be grating. So let's just grate. Now the reason for choosing carrot is the fact that it is rich in beta carotene, which is transformed into vitamin A. Vitamin A is an antioxidant that will help to smooth wrinkles and fine lines on the skin, boost the collagen production in the skin. Vitamin A will also help the skin to look younger and fresher. Carrot also contains vitamin C and vitamin K. Now once this is done, I'm going to reach for some hot water and I'm going to pour this over the carrot. This I'm using to extract more juice from the carrot and also to help to preserve the carrot juice a little longer for this moisturizer. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just mix this hot water in. I'm using a fork because the water is very hot. And then I'm going to reach for my strainer in a small bowl. I'm going to dump this in and I'm going to squeeze the juice from the carrot. So press on it like the way I'm showing. Now if you blend the carrot, you can choose to add the hot water to the carrot while blending. So go ahead and squeeze and extract the juice. And once this is done, take a look. Here we have our warm carrot juice. Take a look. And this is it. If you have a juicer, you can actually go ahead and extract the carrot juice also. So next we are gonna make our moisturizer. So I'm going to be using about 3 tablespoons of the fresh carrot juice. Pour this in a small blender since we're going to be blending. And next I'm going to reach for a carrier oil, and today I'm going to be using some sweet almond oil. Almond oil contains a vitamin E. It will also help to hydrate the skin. It will help to smooth wrinkles and fine lines on the skin. So I'm using 2 tablespoons of the sweet almond oil, pouring this in the blender with the carrot juice. Now I'm reaching for my next oil, and here I have some grapeseed oil. For this stage, you can use grapeseed oil, you can use coconut oil, you can use olive oil, or even some vegetable oil. So I'm going to be pouring 2 tablespoons of the grapeseed oil in the blender. Now for this recipe, those are the two oils I'm using. However, guys, add any of your special oil to this recipe. You can choose to add jojoba, cacao, rosehip, papaya seed. Just add your favorite oil. Next, I'm going to reach for a half of an ice cube. I'm going to add this to the blender along with the oils and the carrot juice. And now I'm going to blend to a creamy carrot anti-aging moisturizer. So just blend away. Now after blending, take a look. Here it is, guys. So let's just scrape this out. And you can see how creamy and rich this is. And this is going to remain this creamy, guys. So let's pour this in a small jar. Make sure it have a tight cover. You don't want to put this in a bottle like a spray bottle. You need something with a wide open mouth like this one that I'm sharing. So let's just scoop our moisturizer in the jar. Now once this is done, and make sure to get everything out, every last bit out. So keep scooping out. And now here it is. Here is your carrot anti-aging moisturizer. Now to use this, you want to apply it to clean skin, guys. So exfoliate your face if you haven't done so for a while. Steam your face also if you haven't done so for a while, so that this can work really, really fast on your skin. So all you need is about 2 to 3 drops, just a little top, and you're gonna apply it on your skin. So apply it to your skin in circular motion. Focus on your neck and décolleté also. Clean skin and top off your facial toner and just massage it on the skin. So completely massage it on the skin, and it's not going to leave any form of a residue, guys, and it's to have a water base, so it's just going to hydrates and seep right into those pores. To sleep with it, guys, and up on the rising in the morning, that's when you're gonna rinse off. This is safe to use every day, guys. And guys, this is best used at night. Apply it at night, rinse in the morning with cold water. Use this every day, and you're on your way to a younger, fresher, more wrinkle-free looking skin. Store this in your refrigerator or on your countertop. If you're storing this on your countertop, store it for about 7 days. In your refrigerator, you can keep this for up to about 15 days. So there you have it. What can I say? Vitamin A rich moisturizer. This moisturizer is great for your face, your neck, and your décolleté. Go ahead, give it a go. Use it on your skin, preferably at night, and before you know it, you're on your way to younger.